Yep, we're still tied to the dock.
Every once in a while, you experience something that quietly changes the direction of your life. This is what I'm trying to get back to. Not a boat on a dock.
Today, I thought I was ready to start staining and whatnot, but these port lights are leaking pretty bad.
Before I got buried in the cabin, I wanted to make sure the engine would still turn over. It didn't. It just clicked. That was unexpected. The leaks were still there, but now I have a bigger problem. If the engine won't start, the boat wasn't moving. I left without an answer. I just knew I wasn't going to solve it by guessing. Some days you feel like you've made progress. Today wasn't one of those days. Tomorrow, I'll try again.
Hello.
Charlie.
Hey. So you're turning the key ignition, you're clicking?
Yeah.
Sounds like you have a weak battery.
I came back to troubleshoot the engine, but before I could even get below, I was reminded why the engine mattered.
How you doing? So I know you said I have to leave. I tried to leave, the engine didn't start. So that's what I'm working on right now. I have the $200 I promised you. Can I give you that?
But you got to understand, if I start taking $200, that's payments. I don't want payments. I want the whole $3,800, and I want you gone.
Did you give the flywheel a turn with your hand?
Well, the engine moved by hand, so that's the first good sign. Onto the electricals.
Could just all be from a weak battery.
The meter shows 12.87 volts. So the simple answer probably wasn't it. But I tried again. Same click. The engine could move, The battery has voltage. So now the problem is hiding somewhere in the starting system.